Hi, this is Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair, also representing NARPRO.com. And today we're going to talk about windshield washer fluid. We're headed to the monsoons, and this is one of the most important things you can do to prepare, because along with the monsoon comes the dust. We've seen people that just put water in, but water is not going to effectively clean the windshield, and come wintertime, the water can freeze, take out the bottle, and a bottle in some cases can cost $50 or $60. So use something that's set up to go 32 degrees below zero. It's not going to freeze on you. It has the cleaning agents which will clean that dust off and give you good vision. We want to keep you safe on the road. Let's get under the hood. Please remember, if you don't know how to check your washer fluid, don't know where it is, or just don't want to, stop by any Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. We'd be glad to check it for you. So if Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair doesn't have a store that's convenient to you, go to NARPRO.com. This is a group of independent dealers. You will never be disappointed. They're honest, they have integrity, and they'll check it for you and make sure you hit the road safely. Thank you.